Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we're looking at how to set up folders in Gmail. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, you'll be presented with this particular screen. Gmail itself doesn't have a specific name for folders in the Gmail account. It's called labels. On your left-hand side, you will see labels. So there's a plus sign. Click on that particular plus sign. Now you have the option to create a label. Type in your label that you want, and that will create a folder. You have the option to create what's called a nest label. So what that basically means is it's a folder inside a folder. So you can then say folder 1, folder 1.2, folder 1.3, and etc. and move on that way. So in this particular instance, let's just create a folder, a label called Pinterest. So I'm going to create that. So as you can see on the left-hand side, the label has been created. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to in my inbox. Very simple. And then I'm going to search for all the emails with Pinterest. So once I've got all of that, I can now, what I want to do is I want to move everything into the label section, into that folder section. What I'll do is I select all. Then I'll go to the three little dots where it says more, label. And then what I'll do is I'll put Pinterest and I apply. So what's going to happen, all these 7 conversations have been added to the Pinterest label or label. Okay, so to the folder. So now I can come back to my folder. I also, i.e. label, and I can see all my Pinterest emails that I have on here in the Pinterest folder. Now, you can also set up specific rules where you can say anything that comes in from this particular email to directly put it into this label, into this folder. So I have a video already created on how to set up rule sets in Gmail. So you can find that video on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video today, please subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.